Hi, I'm Allison with Envista, and today we're going to be covering an overview of the Envista application home screen. When you log on to the application, you'll see this screen here. Some of the tabs may not populate and others will, depending upon what your organization has purchased through Envista. Listed here in the dark blue are all the different modules that we have. Projects, and within projects, which are a listing of activities occurring in the right-of-way. We have moratoriums, and moratoriums would be a listing of recently paved surfaces that would have fines or restrictions to the activities that could occur on them. And we also have opportunities. And what opportunities are areas where a surface is going to be repaved in the near future. And that opens up the opportunity, convenient word, for a project to be done in that area before the resurfacing occurs. We also have the events module. Those could be special events such as parades, road races, or festivals. We have incidents, and those are generally emergent right-of-way activities. We also have permits that can be used in order to apply for a project, an activity in the right-of-way. Conflicts are determined by the Envista system when two projects conflict. One person wants to pave a road while the other person wants to dig up the road. Obviously that's a conflict, and that would be automatically generated within Envista. We have a document section where you can upload any documents that may be relevant to your project or your organization. We have tasks that would list the tasks associated with your login. We have a mailbox and also a dashboard, which is a high-level, easy-to-use, at-a-glance notification of what's going on within your organization. In the top right here, you will see the tools available to you. Again, depending upon which portions of the Envista application you're using, these could be different. Ordinarily, you will always see the View option, the Add, the Edit, and the Exchange. Now let's review the map and table features within the Envista home screen. This top section here is the map. Here you will note street denominations, highways, railways, waterways, and any projects occurring on the area visible on the map. We have map tools that can be utilized in order to navigate around the map. You can press the plus sign to zoom in, or you can press the minus sign and that will zoom out and give you a greater picture. You can also use the arrows if you'd like to navigate north, south, east, or west appropriately. The table section down here on the bottom, I'm going to use my arrow and make this a little bit bigger so we can see some more listings. The table section correlates and is synchronized with the map that's showing in your view. What that means is that if I click on a specific project here in the map, that project down here will be highlighted. Likewise, if I select a project down here in the table, it's highlighted here in the map. We also have the address search bar, which allows you to search for specific addresses within your city if perhaps you're not exactly sure where it's located in the map. Let's try 2007 Clipper Park in Baltimore, Maryland. You'll note the green check mark and found up in the top left corner, which indicates that the system did in fact find your exact street match. You'll also notice the blue arrow and the blue balloon, noting exactly the address you put in the search bar. We'll just close that. So now if we drill down into this section, we can notice right here is the road that we searched for, Clipper Park Road. If we click on this project here, again, the blue balloon pops up with the project information and the information in the table is highlighted. The final section that I'd like to go over on the Envista home screen is the filter section. This is a pretty robust area over here on the left. This entire left section is a listing of all the different types of filters that we have in the Envista system. You can search by location, so if there's a specific city. We can search by facility type if you'd like to just see electric projects or gas company projects. And most importantly, we have the date range. It's very important to ensure that your date range is correct when using the Envista system. Otherwise, when you open up your system, if the dates are not correct, you won't see things that perhaps started or ended last week because the date will list today. Let's do a date search. So let's change this to be last month. You'll see up here as this blue bar rotates, that means the system is working. You can see that it's loading all of the updated information. And now we can see that the map and the table have been updated to include all projects and incidents and events that are occurring within this date range selected. The other important thing to note about the table is that you can always sort by any of the columns that are listed. If you'd like to sort by city, you can sort ascending or descending, whatever your selection choice is. Also, you can move these tabs, these columns around to be in the order that you prefer. So, if the city is the most important information for you, you can put city first. If it's most important to you to know if there are any alerts, and these are the things that we talked about that can happen with incidents and events and conflicts, then you can use that.